Welcome to Volatility 411 for Equity Armor Investments. I'm Joe Tigay here in the VIX pit on day 3 post-Trump tweet, which sent the markets into turmoil over the weekend. We got a new trade war off again. It's been on and off again for the past, well, it seems like a year now. So we're continuing to deal with that. Now, last week I was standing here and I said, with the low level in VIX and the high skew, expect the VIX to move up faster than we expect. Now, the VIX hit over 21 yesterday, and we weren't at that level in December when the market was in correction territory. Remember, we're just 1% off of all-time highs right here in the market. In December, the market was in correction territory, and we didn't hit 22 until December 12th. So there's certainly a lot of anticipation of a big vol event happening in the short term. Volatility traders are really pricing in that sell and may go away trade, which I said might be a possibility last week. Now, remembering that. So the VIX itself, currently the market's flat. The VIX is up a little bit around that 19 level. It's above where the futures are, so the futures traders are expecting the mean to revert, the VIX to come back in. Looking back at the skew, though, last week I said it was relatively high. Expect a big move in the VIX. Right now, the skew is relatively flat. Expect a smaller move in the VIX if the market were to rally and recover. I think the volatility is going to remain here at this level. Now, what's going on with the psychology? What shifted? Well, obviously, that tweet, trade war is back on, risk is back off. Also, people are starting to talk about all the other fears that are out there in the market, geopolitical fears, the interest rate fears, the 210s close to inverting. Well, you know what? Those things were all there before last week. They're still here. Nothing has changed. No fundamental change to the GDP. We're still at a 2% GDP or plus. Nothing's really changed other than the ebbs and flows of the trade war. So that's what's going on in my mind. That's my thought process. I always want to maintain my volatility hedge to my equities, and that's what I'm going to continue to do no matter what happens. For Equity Armor Investments, I'm Joe Tigay.